Hi everybody. I have never had canned chicken. Russ has and he likes it. So I found a recipe that I'm going to use canned chicken for, and hopefully I like it. Not the recipe, because I know I'll like the recipe if it was, regular chicken, not canned chicken. I'm going to try it with canned chicken. So let me show you what I did so far. So I have 2 cans of white chicken. I open them and I'm going to strain them. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take a can of chicken, cream of chicken, and mix in some milk. So I'm going to pour that in there. Okay, that looks good. I'm making a little bit of a mess here. It's all right. No big deal. So I got my baking pan. See if Maggie likes the chicken. Maggie, come here. She went crazy when I was straining it. Let me break some of this up. I guess this is the same as if I can my own chicken, right? Butcher my own chicken and can it, right? I've just never, it's one thing I've never had. Okay, so that's pretty even. Salt and pepper it. Well, Maggie loves it. Now, the soup's on it. I might have too much milk in here, but I'm supposed to put in chicken broth, so I'll just put less of that in, right? Okay, so that's in there. Okay, now I happen to have stovetop stuffing. Oh, I need a scissors. Put that over. Probably shouldn't use all of it, but guess what? I just did. Okay, layer that, right? All right, so instead of me opening a whole jar, a whole can, I'm just doing the better than bouillon. And I'm going to sprinkle it around. Right? So I have the oven already turned on to 375. I'm going to cover this. And when that's ready, 45 minutes I bake this. Okay, I'll bring you back after it's baked. So 45 minutes are up, and I wanted to check for liquid, and it's good. So we're good to go here. And then we're gonna have that with some of our canned corn. Turn everything off. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.